Hey guys, it's me again. If you saw my other video about the mechanical hand, then you might figure that I'm kind of into doing things for my arms recently. So, alright, well here's my new one. First glance, it looks like a shield, right? Well, it's actually a shield slash two arm guns. Perfect thing for a Connect war. And I'll show you why. Real quick, I'll put these on. Alright, there we go. Well, anyway, I'll show you. It's got this which wraps around my arm, hold it in place, and then a trigger for the gun up top, and I'll cock it back. And then it's got a spot right there for ammo and on the bottom, and then the same for both. Up at the front, in front of my hand, it's kind of like a shielding spot. There you can see the rest. But then on the side is half of the shield. And put them together like this. So in a battle, like say whenever I have friends over, I'm normally behind this couch right here, and I can just pop my head up now and like do this, kind of look around, see where everybody's at, and then I can come back down, cock the gun, loading around. It's getting stuck. And it's got of course you got to have the ball joint connector right there. Gives it extra power. But anyway, then I can come back up with this in front of my face, and then this one right here, and pretty much shield myself, well, my face and my arms. I don't care about the rest of my body. I just don't want my eyes getting gouged out by a sharpen rod. Yeah, my friends use sharpen rods, they're messed up, I know. But then do that kind of thing and fire. But yeah. Oh yeah. The shield part is also detachable. All you have to do is just take off a couple connectors, and then snap it in two other places. And there you go. If you're not in a battle or anything, you can just have it plain open, and it makes it a lot lighter too. But then you're wide open over here. But yeah, that's it. So I need to take this off so I can shut off the camera. You can't really grab the things except for the bullet. Alright, see ya.